My name's Lottie and I'm doing the FDSC Foundation of Science degree in Complementary Healthcare. My favourite thing about the course is the content, the learning and the practicals. So we do advanced massage, reflexology, aromatherapy, nutrition, prevention of disease. We do a module in business, personal development, professional development and Chinese medicine, of course. When I started, I had just discovered how to make products and stuff to do with aromatherapy and how that can help people. And now I'm still making the products, but I can do them for more targeted healthcare purposes. I can make them for skincare, mental health conditions. So yeah, it's made what I do more targeted for health, and that's helped me quite a lot in business and in my life. So yeah. My tutors are amazing. They are really good. They've all been really supportive. I've actually recently learned what my learning style is. I learned that in my first year. I've got dyslexia and dyspraxia, so learning how to be an academic alongside them, I thought it was going to be really difficult. But actually, Wendy, course leader, she has helped me through every single step. I've got support if I need extra time or development in any areas like that. So yeah, big up Wendy. My plans after this course, I've just been offered a job working in healthcare settings using treatments. So I want to pursue using complementary therapies for healthcare basis. At the moment I'm just about to start working with aromatherapy and adults with learning disabilities. I also want to pursue areas like of hospice work and hospital work using treatments to benefit people who need it the most, and just further my business for events, private clients, and hopefully be working within somewhere like a chiropractor. So I'm not sure come and do the FDSC in complementary healthcare. It will lead you to further employment opportunities, and next year actually I'm going hopefully to do a top-up degree of Bachelor of Science. Because of this degree, I can go and do further education that might lead to a Master's later on. So what initially is just a foundation of science, it opens up so much more academic development